The TRX Pro Scalp binary option strategy attracts attention with its versatility and flexibility, and various operating modes allow you to customize its signals for different trading styles, from short-term scalping to swing trading. An additional advantage is the presence of a notification system and ease of use. Let's analyze the operation of this strategy together. Consider all the nuances of trading and pitfalls according to this system, its advantages and disadvantages, and also find out how effective it is and whether it is worth its $25. You can download TRX Pro Scalps for informational purposes on our website using the links in the video description. And installation in the Meta 3.4 terminal is done in the standard way. Look for installation instructions on the website, links under the video. So let's get to know each other better. The TRX Pro Scalper strategy consists of 3 indicators. The first is average daily range. Average daily range, ADR, indicates how much the asset price changes during the day. The second is TRX Dash. This is an information panel that displays the currency pair code, the selected time frame, the asset price, and other useful information. The third TRX Pro Scalp is a signal indicator and an additional information panel showing the strength of the trend, the type of the last signal, the selected time interval, the currency pair code, and the name of the template used. Each of these indicators has many settings for its parameters and variables for trading binary options, as well as on the Forex market. In the review article on our website, we talk about this in detail. We recommend that you familiarize yourself with this information. Link in the description. Signals for buying call options look like a green diamond under the candle, and for buying puts, a red diamond above the candle. Let's look at the basic rules of trading using this strategy. TRX Pro Scalper generates signals for opening positions both in the direction of the current trend and against it. To reduce the number of false signals, let's add a filter in the form of an RSI oscillator with a period of 8, and interact only with those signals that coincide with the intersection of level 50. Note that after analyzing the chart on history, it is clear that the strategy signals that coincide with the intersection of level 50 of the RSI indicator bring profit, and signals without this filter, losses. We recommend always using the RSI indicator with a period of 8 for this strategy as an additional signal filter. So to buy a call option, you need 1. A green diamond appeared. 2. The RSI oscillator crossed level 50 from the bottom up. 3. At the opening of the next candle, we buy the call option. And to buy a put option, it is necessary that 1. A red diamond appears. 2. The RSI oscillator crosses the 50 level from top to bottom. 3. At the opening of the next candle, we buy a put option. We recommend choosing 1 candle as the expiration time and the time frame depending on the financial instrument and the results of testing on history. Try, experiment, test this strategy with different parameters of its indicators, but only on a demo account. By the way, on the website in the review article, we give an example of setting up and adjusting the parameters to get more accurate signals. Be sure to read these examples. Look for the link in the description. And let's try to trade on a real example using the strategy on the Pocket Option platform. So, in MT4, we open several charts and observe. A signal to buy a call option appeared on the dollar-Japanese yen pair. We make sure that the RSI readings cross the 50 mark from bottom to top and go to the trading terminal to buy an option with an expiration of 1 candle. As we can see, the price did not take long to come and is growing steadily. In just 60 seconds, we take the profit on this signal. The active American session is in full swing, and almost immediately after closing a profitable deal on a call option, the Swiss franc pleases us with a PUD signal. RSI crossed the 50 mark from top to bottom, and we rushed to buy a PUD option on this currency pair with the same expiration of 1 candle. Despite the fact that the entry was not made immediately after the signal confirmation, and we missed the very beginning of the impulse, a confident fall in the price is enough to still close the deal with a profit in 1 minute. Thus, we see in real examples that TRX Pro Scalp offers an interesting approach to trading due to its versatility, allowing you to customize signals for different trading styles, and the presence of an alert system and relative ease of use make it attractive to many traders. Be sure to test all indicators on a demo account, and do not forget to manage your capital correctly, observing the rules of money management and risk management. And of course, choose only trusted brokers for trading, which can be found in our rating of binary options brokers. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to our channel so as not to miss new, interesting, and useful videos from the field of binary options trading. Trade.